and gentlemen, Right Honorable Frank D. Don. Make some noise!
DJ, I for like me you play Hold Am Tight, Hold Am Jeje, but not play.
Why you love that song?
Not play. Your Excellencies, distinguished ladies and gentlemen, my name is Right Honorable Frank D. Don, the Speaker of House of Laughter, the comedian, actor, the SSA to His Excellency, the Working Governor, the Roadmaster, Governor of Delta State. I'm here to support my fairly used friend, DJ Emoji. This is the only man in our family I decided to use his picture for rituals, and the native doctor said already been used. I asked the native doctor who used them when we still broke for the family. They say they use them during cowries. They cannot trace who used them. Honorable Commissioner, God bless you for putting this together, even in COVID-19. This is showing that you're into agbo and other things. Honorable Commissioner, the way you take the serve people spirit, if you give them drink, their life for money, their life for don't change. Who you dey serve drink now, the old landlord. You dey give alcohol, may high, take go follow landlord quarrel. Commissioner, the way you're going, will you make heaven? Ladies and gentlemen, I'm a comedian, an actor, SSA to governor, but I'm not well. I wear, the wear na your wear. The wear na your wear. Okay, because I wear white, it is normal. I'm not normal, oh. Ladies and gentlemen, the only thing when go take your voice, give you your own voice, na Igbo. I like when you say na lie. How many people they smoke Igbo when they talk normal? As you drum, the next thing you hear now, oh boy, I go make am. And the idiot not get work. You go ask him, how you want to make am? The guy go tell you, oh boy, if I pick 5 million, I don't make am. Who want to wear am? You they pick 5 million, they carry 5 million for wallet. Even bank, if bank carry 5 million, they tell Mopo escort am. Where I from shock, now where two boys they as about they smoke Igbo, come they complain on politics. Now here, oh boy, I not get joy. Now your friend ask her, what happen? He said the way Willie Obi are not take the rule at those states, I not like him. Willie Obi are not of Anambra. He crossed Delta, the rule Edo. Now the guy ask her, say, where Obaseki come dey? Say, your boy, you know they read paper. Obaseki dey Senate now. Now there you know say Igbo they work. Igbo. Oh my, where see all this one when commissioner, all this one they talk or they talk. If you see what alcohol don't do, you not turn for person. No. One of my neighbor drink finish high, come house. He not go in house, so now he come where my generator they come they dance. Generator when they on in they dance. As I come and ask him, I say what happen? He said, but this music makes sense. The next thing they ask me, who played this track? I said, nah, generator featuring fuel. He said, I go download them for money. Alcohol. My landlord drink finish. Drive come. Gates they open. He press home for 1 hour. Nobody answer him. Now he jump fence, enter compound. And gates they open. With the things that then the problem go end. Now when he knock your wife come and I look your wife. Oh, David, your face look familiar. You stay around this area or you newly park. Your wife now want make neighbors know what happened. Now he drag her enter house. 5 minutes later, the man come and tell his wife, honey, you're a wonderful wife. I just open our bedroom, light show, now peace.
As I close the door, light off. Now your wife shout, "Ah, don't piss for fridge again." They are standing fridge, now open. Don't piss for all the soup. Alcohol. Now we know what they do. Ladies and gentlemen, I thought the advice, you know, say during this lockdown just now, before we know as lockdown they complain, say rape don't fool everywhere. Now shower con the judge. Commissioner, if you see where shower they judge us, now wow, they're not gonna appreciate us for this country. Small lockdown. Father is raping daughter. Before now, they follow us stand for junction, they price us. Now I make a do advice. Federal government, may they give us our amnesty. The problem now, how they want to collect the money. You can't see who they acquire for your church, they go bank. Go collect a shower amnesty. You wear the ID card for neck. You go come reach there, bank go come say, you're welcome. You say yes. What are we paying you for? Say, now we be the new workers. When federal government they pay. Say, what do you do? Hey, when I go disgrace us before una pay us. Check the list. You say, hey, we are paying civil servants, we are paying contractors, we are paying. Who are you among? Hey. Check your list. Say, so you cannot say what you do. I won't say what we do. Not be just now they begin pay us. He said, madam, if you cannot say what you do, we cannot pay you. And not pay us now, rape go start again. Say, you be a shower, and now we. No, I'm telling you, see, you know, say if you dey drag land for Benin with somebody, wetin dey happen to you be say in the morning as you wake up, you just see say your motor, they turn am upside down. Native port Uzobo, dey on top. No only you go leave the land. Honorable Commissioner, you know I'm from Edo State. Yes, I'm from Uromi. It's a northeast local government. I'm from Uromi, Ukoni. My grandmother is from Amidoshan. But my mama na be Delta State. I can't follow my mama go hustle. Na him pay me so. So when una dey share for this side, una call me. If I die for that side, na here they go bury me. So they not try am. Even His Excellency the governor know. Me and I don't meet several times. He knows say I come from this side. If you dey drag land for Edo State, now they turn your motor put Uzobo on top. Native port, chalk, all those things. If you dey drag land for Asaba, now court you they go. But if you dey drag land for Warri, I don't know whether they dey here. Area. The people when they shout now, people when thief phone for Warri, they don't relocate. And they never tell when they decamp on and they thief ballot box for APC before. Commissioner, sir, leave these people now. You are the crack joke for because in the morning we must do Ishagwari. I get plan. If anybody not laugh, so far you they laugh. Now you are concentrator. I like your position. These people I go see them for morning. Now you I want see you. If you not they laugh, I change the joke. Leave these people. Not be they are the crack joke for. I say if you they drag land for Asaba, you go court. But if you they drag land for Warri, you go work as you they come back, you can see your burial poster for gate. Now you they read. We regret to announce. Now you go, I don't die. Which kind of nonsense with this? When you read that, you see powered by Oshuko. Now you person went off now they drag land. Now you do your poster. You call the color Oshuko. Which kind of nonsense? He say, not shout. You like the picture? Now may not be say you die. You not like picture when we do poster for you. So that you feel rest in peace. Warri area. Now Warri 2 boys take keke go rob for supermarket before they come out. They don't thief their keke. Now they call the complaint. Now wow, we not go thief provision. They go thief keke of 850. Waiting we thief not reach 650. Mona return keke. The day front of supermarket when they rob they cry. More than return keke. Commissioner, this one when you dey cry, you follow thief the.
Frank the dog.
Hey, wait, I dey come. Not be you carry me come. You know say not where you carry me come. Wait, commissioner don't dey cry. That woman said leave am, leave am. Worry. Now worry that they thief your black goat. They go rob and white dye. They can pass your house for money. As the goat they waka na you they complain. This goat get my goat stempo. Now just say not be the color. One guy they always do and one day night thief the goat. As he rob and white dye they pass, now rain begin fall. He wash all the dye. Worry. Mama of 80 years. Commissioner, mama of 80 years for worry get gone. No. Mama just after 8 now we hear toa toa. We say mama what's happen? He say area too quiet. Oh. Area too quiet.
Why area too quiet?
Before they thief my fowl and goat. Worry. Nothing when now worry like they take again they told 911. Now there we know say yes, worry na worry. Not try amo. Commissioner beg, if you get any friend when get property for worry, police they find property where they go take do station. One police station for worry, they arrest the landlord brother. They call lock am for sale. The landlord come go tell they say, ah, my brother, I'm gonna release him. They say no, we are investigating. For night, nine landlord take spare key, open the cell, carry him brother. As they break, they lock landlord and the brother. Now landlord don't give police quick notice. So now police they find new station. Now to tell you as worry bill, worry. Hey, you get space. Udu Road. Commissioner, you dey see people when they with you. Then they beneath they get space for Udu Road. You not gonna make heaven. Ladies and gentlemen, anyhow when it be, since they don't they hail madam, they hail oga. You know behind every successful man there's a woman. But behind every successful woman there's one exhausted man. Things don't come up for the husband hand. Please, before I go, I want to advise the women. If you dey here, you dey wear wig. Mind where you dey sit down for church. Today na Saturday, tomorrow na Sunday. I beg, Commissioner, not be small thing with the church. One woman wear wig, sit down, and not know who beg the usher. He go on industrial fan. As the fan they blow, now that time pastor they shout, we need to pray against witches and wizards. Knife and blow the wig, they go altar. Nine pastor begin shout, they are here physically. They came physically. I mean, why the woman sit down near me, as I turn, I can't see woman went do all back. And I say, madam, somebody is sitting here. He said, not me. I say, who they here get here? I say, touch, I say, my wig. I say, see, I'm near choir. Not be small problem. So I beg, women go do makeup. Come they trek for sun. If you not get motor, when get AC, not they do makeup. Somebody go rub Mary K. Come they trek for sun. Mary go dey one side. K go dey one side. Your face go come be like on the road. When not good. 9-1 man they drive leaving wife. This woman resemble my wife. Oh, as he drive past, my wife begin going, Papa, son, God go punish you. You say you not see me for son. I talk and say your face they change you. Well, ladies and gentlemen, before I go, because of time, man, not go. Oh boy, see problem. Okay, I beg, I want advise young guys. Thank God, say commissioner for youth and everything there. When this DJ, this wicked DJ, you see say height not they grow. Now where it is since 9 days, even after election, it's still the way it is. All this DJ very wicked. Now so 2 boys. If they scatter your destiny like that, you will like them. My brother, 2 boys. The first boy went join Yahoo. He joined Yahoo around 12. SARS arrest him around 15 after 12. Nikon the Texas, I never pick. Oh. They say, no worry, you pick for station. He come the house, wait till I go pick. They say, you feel pick pin. Pick na pick. Now to tell you as this life be, oh. What idiot! He dey whole house rent. He dey go club, go the ball. Where that bang play for me. Play that burial song. When boys stay the ball. Commissioner, you know say na so church you dey go, you not gonna understand. Let me explain to you now. This
our commissioner ball pass ball.
Oh, na church balling. Na so harvest the ball.
Na udaba man.
Na harvest the ball. Not call let commissioner go and fire.
See the trick where they table.
Wait. Play am.
Hype man dey here.
No, wait. Ladies and gentlemen.
Okay.
You get money.
Where them there?
Hey. Ladies and gentlemen.
Again.
Emeka dollar. Emeka pound.
Pound sterling.
If you not get money,
Mind your face.
back go village.
That's so.
Emeka is balling tonight.
Balling tonight.
6 casket is nothing. 5 casket is nothing. DJ Killer. Landlord day, Emeka dey ball. He not talk. 5:30. Now landlord go meet DJ. Say DJ, you get work tomorrow morning. He said no. Say you go set up for my compound. Now landlord carry DJ. Before Emeka go come out for club, go hotel. Before he fire finish for hotel, they come house. Landlord don't set up for compound. DJ, play waiting he talk. Emeka money. You cannot be owing rent and be balling. What is all this? 6 months is nothing. 6 months is nothing. Hey, Emeka money. What is rent to you?
Nothing.
If 6 caskets can go down,
Hey, rent can
6
go down.
months can go down.
Oh yes, sir.
Kill and DJ. Now once he transfer for a landlord. Commissioner, since that time till now, once he rent the fire, now DJ they take they collect in rent money. Ladies and gentlemen, enjoy the rest of your night. My name is Frank Dedon.
Ọmọ tuta pẹ́, wọ́n ní kó, Mr. Flavour, hey. Ọmọ tuta pẹ́, wọ́n ní kó, Mr. Flavour, hey.
Hold on. Until I die before una clap, make una clap now, una father. You know say this country, if you know that, they no go celebrate you. Now until that green die, now they say, oh, that guy be sabi sing. You know say this country don't change. Please round of applause first of all for the commissioner. Please, you wanna clap for him first, huh? Yes, I go by the name Porcupine. You know the country don't change actually. 2 weeks ago, I did go village road. Now say me I buy sardine. As I buy sardine, me I open and now see dodo inside. I shock. Now me they ask the woman. I say now dodo. I see inside. He say you need to be happy. You need to see that man when they go na granite to see for you know. That guy they talk just now say Igbo. One guy they talk there just now be about Igbo. Akpororo the Chriso. Akpororo say na Kwale Igbo. Nine high pass for Nigeria. Data. Una father. Una know where they call Uzeba for Edo State. Kwale Igbo, you dey smoke and go they make ta. Now mountain they make. Uzeba Igbo, you know they make noise. You just smoke am. Igbo kill you. You just smoke and finish. 7 a.m. in the morning. You just go walk. 7 p.m. As you come back, they watch ITV news. You just hear say that they load a K1 road for your kitchen. As you say, when you look, you just say motor pass your front. You go shock. You say, where motor pass enter my parlor? No, this is the funniest country in the world. And the country be this when we say that they ask stupid question. And they come just now one guy say, Porcupine, how far now you be this? I say, no, now my father when he's small. So when they ask you stupid question, they give them stupid answer. I did church 2 weeks ago when one guy see me say, man, Porcupine, I love your native attire. I say, thank you. He said, I tell us so. I say, no, now vulcanizer. You know, say I did NYC one time. Very stupid country. We did Ekpoma one time now. Ekpoma student here. Greatest of the greatest Nigeria students. No, I mean those who won't graduate. Even commissioner self the form. This commissioner, now the way they greet me is I don't say no one pay me. That's why they greet me. He just they say, how are you? Have you eaten? I never chop. I bet pay me. Eh? Look how they stress me. One day we did Ekpoma now. Franchise and nasty. I see you. Eh? We did Ekpoma just they watch Chelsea and Arsenal match. People they ask stupid questions. One idiot just sit down near me. He said, Porcupine, how far? I say I do. He said, oh boy, na match with this, na match you. So I know man. I say yes, na match. He said, oh boy, this match will tough. He said, who they play? I say Chelsea, Arsenal. I say, oh boy, see match. He said, bros, who wear blue? I said, na Chelsea. He said, don't see match. Who wear red? If Chelsea wear blue, who go wear red? I was still normal. Now saying that Arsenal, I say, oh boy, see match. He said one guy just the wrong waka for inside the club. He no wear red, he no wear yellow. Now referee. He said who he be? I say na Taylor. He said what Taylor they do for feed? I say anybody nick and went here night is one. After like 4 hours, now I look the feed. He say bros 2-0. Who they win? I say na Arsenal. He say who they lose? I say na Zambia. We have no say no normal. Now I say hey na Zambia they always lose. I say yes, they always lose. DJ when they clap and you go they play your father. After like first half, everybody can go outside. People go there ask, oh boy, why they give Van Persie red card? We not like instead of to ask them who give Van Persie red card. Now he come inside here. He say, bros, how far? I say I do. They say they give Van Persie red card. I say yes. So he say who give a red card? I say na cameraman. He say where referee go? Now say referee go by Suyao. Please round of applause for yourself. The round of applause, eh?
You see when I make a dive for the club. I not really blame them now because if to say what they expect don't come, I don't call the crack joke for that now. If to say not be Access Bank where they debit my money.
52.
How much be this King Square Ring Road? How much be Ring Road normally?
Your father.
You say? How much be Ring Road normally? If you want clap.
Okay, once again, I could like me we clap for one person when come all the way from Delta, everybody that came from Delta
State.
State.
Frank the Don in
Frank
the building.
Don, Babadi.
Big name.
2 twins. Thank
Find
you.
out
Thank you. We love you. The way this franchise eye too big, they be like 100 naira or not. Pay you for pre-eye.
It doesn't franchise. This doesn't. They only keep franchise career and I run.
That goes Asapa.
And is it bastika? Everybody just go like guru. Bastika. If I see money the first 2 years, in the next 3 years, why you bury and kill and I run? I don't say. Franchise, we are welcome back.
We love you. Welcome back after I
have 2 bedroom for you in Amagba.
Well, thank God say we win. If not, I'll ready for day now. You are nasty. Oh my, not be okay. It get reason why I call you after we finish. That same sound when Frank the Don use. You go use that same sound.
Right, it's not a guy hype me for Saba. Beanie hype men that they give you, they will hype you. You'll get hypertension. Put that. See where stage manager they don't say shift back.
Let me stage manager, cameraman.
Okay, cameraman.
And I don't want to take graduate.
This country not balance. So we all thank God because no work for the country. This country to survive, you need to work. This year now pilot it won't be for life, but now it's piloting music. Me when they years old, I finished from AAU engineering. My mind say if I finish, yes. Electronics, say if I finish oil company work up till now, even Granite Oil Company I never see. The only oil company work when I see na my grandmother of village, say me I go there by match banga, say oil na oil. Don't work pastor for my streets now get chemist. If he pray for you, you know why you buy drugs, you more way. You never ask yourself why be say church they get school. If you escape offering on Sunday, you know escape school fees on Monday. This is why this commissioner is laugh like this.
But it's just a lie, oh. Even though it's funny, no, but he just wants so that you're happy, no pay you. Your father.
But what they say, commissioner laugh to my joke.
Laugh
to my joke.
If you want on the outside,
they say that's enough for me.
That's
it's not enough for country hard.
First and foremost, we want to demonstrate to Edo people what it means to forgive somebody. Honorable Commissioner, with your kind permission, we would like to use this your drink to show them something. We are not testing. We don't want to drink.
My brother, that.
We want to show them something. Ready? Oh, use this one.
Ma, bring cup.
In the spirit of forgiveness and reconciliation.
Where commissioner cup? Where?
Just bring anyone. Bring anyone.
No, commissioner na one. Who will not be alcoholic.
Bring her. But now, not say when God creates the world, He created Adam and Eve very perfect. They were like this.
Yes, not Adam and Steve.
Adam and Eve, and they sinned. Because they sinned against God. Their sin be like this. Now small sin.
Small sin, no, my brother.
God could drive them from the garden of
Hey, the sin don't do.
Small sin. When their sin finished, they now told God, God, we are sorry, forgive us. Because our Father is a merciful God.
Merciful.
Our Father forgive their sin. Give the sin to Angel Gabriel.
Angel Gabriel can't drink small sin. Give the rest sin to God, may drink.
That's an example. We are not tasting. And their sins were forgiven. And since then, human beings they sin. So for instance,
they can't sin again.
Yes.
He can't thief somebody land, Abi.
When you thief land,
when you
your sin they be.
Go plenty.
100 by 100.
My God, the sin don't do.
The person go down and he say, Father, I thief land, please forgive me. Because our Father is a merciful God.
Merciful.
Father go carry the sin, give Angel Gabriel.
Angel Gabriel.
Take some of the sin.
Now wow, this angel the sharp.
Then when you sin again.
Now the sin will commit. He have where be?
Now adultery.
Adultery! Hey! Who be this demon? See? Now wow, demon cross come heaven.
They won't corrupt this sin. Then when you sin again, this time you commit adultery.
A thief or a thief ballot boss.
You can say, Father, I thief ballot boss and commit adultery. Please forgive me.
He drink again for stealing a ballot. No, ballot boss sin they plenty. Put small. Ballot boss, the sin they plenty.
In Jamaica, if you high, you go fire.
Put for ballot boss sin. He don't do now. Now ballot boss the thief, not be the full state.
Oh yeah.
Ballot boss stealing.
Yes. No, continue. Drink more.
God.
Listen, continue.
God, I'm under your canopy. I'm just an angel. Now, is this sin again, oh?
Honorable Commissioner, when the man sin again?
He sin again. God, if you hide, nobody will carry you.
But you know what, yeah? This sin not to the beat. I'm going to take you that sin.
Now, this sin.
My brother.
Oh, Bob.
My brother.
The Bible said these people in another heaven, they don't finish the sin, no?
We can't sin together.
Carry your sin. All right, ladies and gentlemen.
Oh, yeah, speak up.
All the way from China. You know, I came all the way from China to support the Honorable Commissioner and MOG. I'm going to speak Chinese. And my brother is going to interpret.
Yeah, don't. He said congratulations to Governor Baseki. Honorable Commissioner, water resources, Abi agric. Water resources. He said one professor. He said one professor again. Babadi, you know well. Those Kaba and Tuesday, that is a man going to tell her that kind of thing.
董事是董事是员工造谣啊，
Now they shout, go tell her, I do, you do.
董事公众董事，你是公有我，搞是什么懂的呀？
My brother, look around.
董事呀，董事是董事是员工搞什么用啊？
You know, this how she dey talk. More boys they come outside. Boys they come outside.
电中呀，董事是
I don't tell DJ for the ginger song when I
董事好是董事是员工什么用啊？
You can tell her.
都什么用啊？
Okay, I go tell her. Honorable Commissioner, if you want to hold somebody, now you go hold because I say make I tell you.
李中董事，董事是董好事是董好有什么需要？董什么什么用啊？
You say make I collect your phone, your ATM card, and your car key.
哎，董事我什么用？董事的。
You say I want collect your wife join.
Hey! Number one, don't be that.
So you know what you need to talk.
Thank you very much, ladies and gentlemen. We love you all. I've never heard this scene.
For club for inside GRO, now you will go drink. I carry one of my friend enter club. The first thing where you hear, be now my friend they said, hey, oh, Asho, you don't carry me enter court. Oh, that's not be court in the club. Did you hear me? They're gonna shout, hey, call, ladies and gentlemen, tonight we're about to shut down the city of Benin. You're gonna wonder where Benin City gates stay. Who hold the key? What they want lock? Hold on. Benin, that man. You're not gonna let it. Ladies and gentlemen, that care money. If you don't get money, kill yourself. Kill yourself. Die, die, die. Hold on, DJ, hold on. As if now Martin of fire you go. Die, die, die. The problem when I get, you see all this sound, all this thing, all the hype, it is sweet, oh. It is sweet if you they pay for drink and if you owe your money. It is sweet around 12 o'clock, 1 o'clock, now around 2, 3, 4. Now the problem they day. And check them, if they bring drink, they come. Who they pay for drink, they always normal. Who know they pay for drink, now they misbehave. Watch you. After they bring caskets, DJ, play them again. And they bring casket of champagne. You know, like this. Ladies and gentlemen, coming through, coming through, coming through. 20 bottles of champagne is nothing. Take care money. If you not get money, kill yourself. Hide your face. See who they buy the drink, oh. See who get drink, who want pay, oh. You see down they press phone, oh. You not go talk, you not go move. See who not get drink. Who know how they want to pay. Now you gonna arrest the bagger. Put her here. You will carry 2 bottles like this. Hold on, boo. The problem around 3 o'clock when they want people to be. That waiter when bring the drink that time. You gonna go meet that guy like this is. You go see na the guy and I get the B. You go give him the B, say sir, the B. You say no, give my chairman, no, see my chairman there. What now go be? See, no matter how your eye clear for club, if they bring B, the light not ever reach. You must just go find that light. You go the shake light, and you go shift tire. You go even hold your Nokia touch like this shake. And then you go to see, oh, that Gouda. No, I don't drink Gouda. No, I don't. It's not me. That's not. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you so much. God bless you. God bless Edo State. God bless Nigeria. Thank you tonight.